Hi, I'm Kinanwell. So this is the 1.0, the project overview. KCMRT is a public transport project approved by the Sarawak government. Second, managed by KCMRT Corp. Designed to reduce traffic congestion and improve public transport efficiency. This report recommends the procurement system, contract tendering, cost planning, and project management. The goal is to ensure the project is deliver efficiently, transparently, and within budget.
Next, let's look at section 2.0, which is the procurement method. For this project, we are using a design and build system, meaning KCMRT Corp appoints a single main contractor who is fully responsible for both the detail design and physical construction phase. This gives us an all in one responsibility instead of dealing with different designers and builders on separate contracts. A single contractor takes care of the whole job from early sketches to final handover. This method also allows for a fast track project schedule. The framework optimizes the development timeline by enabling design and construction activities to overlap, allowing structural works to commence on site before the final detailed design is fully completed. Finally, the system is made for complicated projects because buildings, elevated tracks, underground tunnels, stations, and depots are highly complex. The design and building teams must work closely hand in hand from day one.
Next, I will present the budget summary for this project. This table shows the estimate cost for each major work package. The largest is civil and structural work at RM's 1.6 billion as it includes major structures such as bridge and guideway. Other major costs include art system and communication at RM 900 million, foundation and structure works at RM 780 million, mechanical and electrical service at RM 620 million, and depot construction at RM 600 million. The estimate project cost is RM 6.8 billion after adding a 60% contingency of RM 480 million for unexpected expenses such as inflation or design changes. The overall project budget is RM 7.208 billion. This budget summary helped ensure that project costs are well planned and controlled throughout the.
So for this slide, it shows the purpose tendering process timeline for the KCMRT project. The process starts with the tender notice on 5 January 2026. The process starts with the tender notice followed by the sale of tender documents and vendor registration forms from 6 to 12 January. A site visit is held on 16 January so contractors can understand the project requirements. Next, the tender clarification periods run from 17 January to 6 February, allowing contractors to ask questions before submitting their bids. The tender closes on 7 February and all submissions are open on 8 February. After that, the tender are evaluated from 10 February to 8 March and a tender evaluation report is prepared. The letter of acceptation LOA is issued on 18 March, followed by contract signing on 20 March. Finally, the contractor takes site possession on 1 April 2026, marking the official start of construction. So overall, the timeline ensures that the tendering process is organized, transparent, and complete before construction begins.
The process starts with the advertisement followed by a 21-day tendering period where contractors prepare and submit their bids. After the tender close, the evaluation committee review all the submissions during the tender validity period, which is 60, 90, or 120 days. Finally, the successful contractor received the letter of acceptance. The contractor is evaluated based on several criteria, including tender price, technical skill, capacity, financial capacity, experience, health and safety management, and contractor organizations. In addition, these criteria help ensure that the selected contractor offers not only a competitive price but also has the experience, technical ability, and financial strengths to complete the project safely on time and within the budget. This is several project team that are going to be involved in our project. Number one is client, which is Sarawak Metro. Two, main contractor, Perbena Emas Sendirian Berhad. Three, consultant, MMSB Consult. Four, civil and structure engineer, which is Jurutera TCS Sendirian Berhad. Mechanical and electrical engineer, Jurutera Azan Bersekutu Sendirian Berhad. And the last one is quantity surveying, which is Ryder Levitt Bucknell.
Moving on to section 7.0, the method of invitation. For this project, the project uses an open invitation method to ensure fairness. This means that the public notices are shared openly through official channels to give everyone an equal chance. Specifically, Sarawak Metro advertises the tenders directly on their official website under the procurement section. From there, interested contractors must register online using the Share Vendor Registration System. During this process, bidders must upload their company profiles, CIDB license, and financial documents into the portal for verification. However, please note that selected tenders still require contractors to collect physical documents in person from the coaching office.